Today we will learn the letter F and H.
Hello everyone, it's me, Dr. B. Thank you for joining me. Our topic for the day is the letter H and the letter F. We will focus on recognizing those two letters, practice their sounds, and identify items that begin with the H sound or the F sound. Okay, so let's start. As I told you before, I'm having this alphabet party, so it's so important that I have items that begin with each letter. And the two letters we're going to focus on selecting items for is the letter H and the letter F. Are you ready?
Yes!
So let's begin. We will start with looking at the letter H. If you notice, the larger H looks different from the smaller H. We call the larger one the uppercase H and the smaller one the lowercase h. Do you know what sound they make?
Yes!
If you said, you're correct. They make the sound. Let's say it together. Let's say it again. Great job. Let's go to the next letter. Here's the letter F. These two letters are also written different. The uppercase F is different from the lowercase f, but they make the same sound. Do you know what sound that is?
Yes!
Did you say try it? If you say it, you are correct. It makes the sound. Let's do it together. Let's try it again. Great job. So we just went over the sound of the letter H and the sound of the letter F. Now I need you to help me identify items that have either one of those sounds at the beginning. For example, let's start with horse.
Wow!
Here's a horse. What do we hear at the beginning of horse? Do we hear the sound, the F? Or do we hear the H sound?
For horse.
Yes!
If you said it has the H sound at the beginning, you're correct. So I'm going to place it in the H bag. Next, I have a hat.
Wow!
Beautiful hat. What do we hear at the beginning of hat? Do we hear the sound or do we hear the sound? Which one do we hear? Can you hear it? Hat. Hat.
For hat.
Yes!
If you said it makes the H sound, you're correct. Great job. I'm going to place the hat right here behind this bag, the H bag. The next item that I have is a fork.
Yes!
Fork. What do you hear at the beginning of fork? Do we hear the sound or do we hear the sound? Let's think about it. Fork.
For fork.
Yes!
Did you say the F?
Yes!
Yes. It makes the sound, which is letter F. So we'll place the fork in the F bag. The next item I have is a stapler.
Yes!
Does it make the H sound or the F sound? Which one do you hear? Stapler.
For stapler.
Oh, no!
You don't hear the H or the F? Stapler. You're right. I can't hear the H sound or the F sound. You're correct. I'm going to put this one to the side. Next, I have a fan.
Wow.
Fan. What do we hear at the beginning of fan? Do we hear the sound or the sound? Fan.
For fan.
Yes.
If you said it makes the F sound, you are correct. Great job. I'm going to place this one in the F bag. Next, we have a horn.
Wow.
Horn. What do you hear at the beginning of horn? The H sound or the F sound?
For horn.
Yes.
Did you say the sound for H? If you did, you're correct. It goes in the H bag. Great job. Well, that concludes all of those items that we need to go in our H bag and our F bag. I think these two letters are ready for the alphabet party. Thank you so much for your help, and I look forward to seeing you next time.